In the grand tapestry of mathematics, we find woven threads of innovation, discovery, and brilliance. One such thread, the story of logarithms, begins in the early 17th century. The stage was set with the backdrop of a world just beginning to understand the complexities of the universe, and the need for simpler mathematical calculations was more pressing than ever. Enter John Napier, a Scottish mathematician and physicist who, in the year 1614, published his groundbreaking work, Mirifici Logarithmorum Canonis Descriptio. This work introduced the concept of logarithms to the world. But what prompted this discovery? Napier was seeking a means to simplify complex mathematical calculations, particularly those involving multiplication and division. He envisioned a system that could turn these arduous tasks into simpler addition and subtraction. In Napier's system, each number was assigned a unique logarithm. By adding or subtracting these logarithms, one could effectively multiply or divide the numbers they represented, a concept that was revolutionary in its time. However, Napier's logarithms, now known as Napierian or natural logarithms, were not the logarithms we commonly use today. That development came later, courtesy of another mathematical genius. A few years after Napier's discovery, a British mathematician named Henry Briggs visited him in Scotland. Briggs was intrigued by Napier's invention and saw its potential to simplify astronomical calculations. However, he proposed a modification. Instead of using Napier's complex base, he suggested using base 10, a system that would be more intuitive and easier to use. This resulted in the logarithms we know and use today, known as common or Briggsian logarithms. Through their collaboration, Napier and Briggs revolutionized mathematics and made complex calculations more accessible. Logarithms became a vital tool in the world of science, particularly in the field of astronomy, where they greatly simplified the calculations of celestial mechanics. In conclusion, the discovery and development of logarithms was a landmark event in the history of mathematics. Born from the minds of John Napier and Henry Briggs in the 17th century, logarithms have since become an indispensable tool in various fields from astronomy to computer science. They transformed complex calculations into simpler operations, making mathematical and scientific progress more accessible and efficient. This innovation remains a testament to human ingenuity and the endless potential of mathematical exploration.